coming in. This is ahead of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Russia, and he's issued a departure statement. He says he's looking forward to working on the bilateral ties between the two countries. Obviously, Russia, he says, a priority for India. Big statement coming in from the Prime Minister. A departure statement of sorts before the Prime Minister, of course, leaves for Russia. This meeting obviously is going to be extremely significant. World's eyes are obviously on this upcoming meet, because this is going to be the first time, not just after the Prime Minister Modi took charge for the third term, but ever since the Ukraine war began. There were a wide range of Western sanctions which obviously have already been imposed in Russia. In the backdrop of all of this, we have the Prime Minister who's now visiting Russia, obviously underlining the type of importance which Russia holds for the country. Deepti is joining us from the newsroom with this statement which Prime Minister Modi has released. Deepti, over to you. Take us through the Prime Minister's statement.
Yes, it's an important visit. You've already decoded why this is. Now, this is the departure statement. I'm just going to read, bit highlights, operating part here, where the Prime Minister says he's embarking on the official visit to the Russian Federation. This is the 22nd annual summit, and he does stress that this is his first ever visit also to the Republic of Austria over the next 3 days. So next 3 days, very important. He says the special and privileged strategic partnership between India and Russia has advanced over the past 10 years. He's talking of the core areas, remember, that are of interest when you have both Kremlin and New Delhi talking. This includes energy, security, trade, investment, health, education, culture, tourism, and people-to-people exchanges. Then he, speaks about Vladimir Putin, the relationship that he's had. He says he looks forward to reviewing all the aspects of bilateral cooperation with his friend, President Vladimir Putin, sharing perspectives on various regional and global issues. We seek to play a supportive role for a peaceful and a stable region. Important, keeping in mind what the world is looking at, the Ukraine war and a lot more things. Then he says the visit will also provide me an opportunity to meet the vibrant Indian community in Russia. Do remember, tomorrow is where that all-important event of the diaspora is taking place. Then he goes on and speaks about Austria, where he says he will have the opportunity to meet with the President Alexander there, the Chancellor. Austria is a steadfast and reliable partner, and we share ideals of democracy, pluralism. Then he talks about why this visit is important. First visit, he says, of an Indian Prime Minister in over 40 years. Looking forward to my discussions to take our partnership to even greater heights in new and emerging areas, again, of innovation, technology, sustainable development, amongst others. And interestingly, even as you're looking at this, I want to read this tweet that, remember, has just come in from Jairam Ramesh of the Congress. Also a day where back home here, you have Rahul Gandhi, who's headed to both Assam to Manipur. And Jairam Ramesh taking a dig again. He says today the non-biological Prime Minister goes to Moscow, while the leader of the opposition, the Lok Sabha, heads for Assam and Manipur. Then he speaks about the fact that the drum beaters of the non-biological Prime Minister have claimed that he stopped the Russia-Ukraine war for quote-unquote some time. Presumably this Moscow trip, he says, will lead to even more bizarre claims. So clearly the opposition not interested, not talking of, not even the low-hanging fruits that one might achieve when you talk of this big visit. Instead, attaching pictures of Rahul Gandhi here and saying that this is his third visit to Manipur ever since the state blew up 14 months ago. Continues to say he's not even met with the chief minister of the state, who happens to be from his own party, and other political leaders. So I think through the day, you will see more of this. Clearly a lot of politics, even in the Prime Minister's Russia and Austria visit.
Well, absolutely. And Deepti, it's a very important point which you are emphasizing. And Amit is also joining us from the newsroom with more details on the same. Amit ji, Deepti just took us through the Prime Minister's statement. Obviously, if you look at the Prime Minister's statement, 2014, the PM went to Bhutan. 2019, you had Maldives. Obviously, the Prime Minister is also breaking tradition. He's not going to neighboring countries. He's going to Russia, showing the type of importance India is giving to ties with Russia. But at this time, we have the opposition leaders, जैसे खरगे जी ने कहा, जाइब्स लेना, अटैक करना प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी को, राजनीति देश में पहले ही शुरू हो गई है, उससे पहले भी कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी रशिया की तरफ रवाना हो सके।
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप जो देश की राजनीति है उसको छोड़ दीजिए, ये पॉलिटिक्स होगा, विपक्ष अपनी बातें रखेंगे, प्रधानमंत्री को घेरेंगे, लेकिन आप ये देखिए कि भारत और रशिया के बीच जो स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप है कितना लगातार स्ट्रांग हो रहा है। पिछले 10 सालों के रिश्ते किस तरह से मजबूत हुए, इसकी जिक्र प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने उस प्रेस रिलीज में जारी किया है, जो उनका एक तरह से जाने से पहले जो उनका स्टेटमेंट है। लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात कि भारत का पुराना दोस्त है, दोनों की दोस्ती पुरानी है। 2022 में एससीओ की बैठक के दौरान उज्बेकिस्तान में दोनों की मुलाकात हुई थी। इसके बाद अब जाकर मुलाकात हो रही है। मोदी सरकार 3.0 में पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और पुतिन की मुलाकात होगी। और ये जो रिश्ता है, ये हर वो आप देखिए हर संकट मोचक के तौर पर दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े रहे हैं। बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है और इसीलिए वेस्टर्न से लेकर तमाम कंट्रीज से इनके जो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के विजिट को लेकर सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं और इस बात का जिक्र किया है क्रेमलिन की तरफ से। क्रेमलिन की तरफ से ये स्टेटमेंट आया है कि पश्चिम में जलन है भारत के प्रधानमंत्री का रशिया दौरे को लेकर, लेकिन देश के भीतर आप देखिए पूरे दुनिया में डंका बज रहा है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का। रेड कारपेट स्वागत के लिए पूरा क्रेमलिन तैयार है और ऐसे में भारत के भीतर से इस तरह के बयान आने ये बताता है कि विपक्ष जो है, और निश्चित तौर पर विदेश नीति हमेशा अपने हितों को लेकर होती है, न कि दूसरों के हितों को लेकर। और यहां पर भारत में आप देखिए कितने बड़े जो, अगर आप देखिए ऑयल को लेकर पूरी दुनिया एक तरह से रशिया को कॉर्नर कर रही थी, लेकिन भारत ने अपने हितों की बात की। वहां से वो ऑयल ले रही है, कम दामों पे ले रही है और भारत के रुपया पर ले रही है, जो भारत का करेंसी उस पर ले रही है। अपने आप में ये दिखाता है कि भारत और रशिया के बीच स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप बढ़ी है। दोनों के बीच का जो रिश्ता है वो और स्ट्रांग हुआ है। भारत में निश्चित तौर पर लगातार नरेंद्र मोदी को लेकर स्टेटमेंट्स आएंगे, उनके इस यात्रा को लेकर भी विरोध हो रहा है, वो उनका पार्ट है। लेकिन दोनों देशों के बीच जब 22वीं एक शिखर सम्मेलन होगा, जब दोनों नेता बैठेंगे, तो रक्षा से लेकर तमाम स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप पे बात होगी, एनर्जी पे बात होगी, तमाम चीजों पर बातचीत होगी, तमाम समझौते होंगे और दोनों देशों के बीच रिश्ते और मजबूत होंगे। ऐसे वक्त पर जब पूरी दुनिया दो धड़े में बटा है, भारत ने नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में अपनी ताकत को दिखाया है कि कैसे भारत एक बड़े भूमिका में होता है। चाहे रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर की बात करिए या इजराइल गाजा में जो अरब देशों के बीच जो झगड़े हो रहे हैं उनको उस दौरान देखिए, तो एक बड़े रोल पर नरेंद्र मोदी की अगुवाई में भारत है। और यही जो बातें हैं, विपक्ष के तमाम नेता इसी बात को लेकर आप देखिए सवाल खड़े करते नजर आएंगे।
तो राजनीति शुरू हो चुकी है देश में। Obviously all eyes are going to be on the Prime Minister's Russia visit. Obviously, as Amit was also telling us, it's very significant, this visit, because it's coming in the backdrop of the Ukraine war, the Western sanctions, obviously a testament of the Prime Minister Modi government policies as to how they really balance relations between the Western world and Russia. At the same time, internal politics also escalating. We'll keep an eye on all the developments coming from Russia, from Moscow, and obviously all the politics happening back home. As of now, thank you, Deepthi and Amitji, for joining us with all these details. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.